Rocket Lab, pioneering accessible space launches.
Rocket Lab has transformed the space industry by offering dedicated, affordable launches for small satellites. Founded in 2006, the company set out to solve the challenge of sending small payloads to orbit, creating new opportunities for research, communication, and innovation.
Electron rocket, a revolutionary design.
At the core of Rocket Lab's success is its Electron rocket. This lightweight, reusable rocket is specifically designed to launch small satellites, reducing cost and complexity. Made with innovative materials like carbon composites and powered by 3D printed engines, Electron has made frequent, reliable launches possible.
Innovative technology and manufacturing.
Rocket Lab utilizes advanced manufacturing techniques, including rapid 3D printing for engine components and automated production lines. These methods speed up building rockets and lower expenses, making space missions accessible for universities, startups, and governments.
Global impact and partnerships.
By providing regular launch opportunities, Rocket Lab supports a diverse range of satellite missions, Earth observation, communications, scientific research, and more. Strategic partnerships with commercial, government, and academic customers have helped propel worldwide access to space.
Looking ahead, expanding capabilities.
Rocket Lab continues to innovate with new projects like the Neutron rocket for larger payloads and plans for deep space missions. With its focus on efficiency, reliability, and affordability, the company is shaping the future of space access for the next generation.